Hi, today we're going to be learning how to simplify algebraic expressions. But before we do that, we're going to take a look at some definitions to help you better understand the terminology you're going to be seeing in this chapter. So our first definition is variable. A variable is a symbol for a number that we don't yet know, for example, y or x. Our next definition is coefficient. A coefficient is the number in front of the variable. For example, negative 3y, the coefficient is negative 3. A constant is a single integer, for example, 2 or negative 7. For our last definition, we have like terms. They are terms that have the same variable and the same exponent. For example, 2y to the power 3 and 5y to the power 3. So now we're going to take a look at some examples of solving algebraic expressions. So here we have our first one, which is 2x minus 4 plus 6x. So the first step you want to do is group your like terms. So 2x and 6x because they have the same variable, and negative 4 is all by itself because it is the only constant. So now that you've done that, now that you've grouped your like terms, now you want to combine them. So you want to add 2x plus 6x and then minus 4. Okay, so 2x plus 6x gives us 8x, and then since negative 4 is the only constant, you can't combine it with anything else. So great, now you have our answer, which is 8x minus 4. So now we're going to take a look at a few more examples just to make sure we get the hang of it. So our next unsimplified expression is open bracket 18x close bracket divided by 2 minus open bracket negative 3x close bracket. Okay, so our first step is going to be dividing the 18x by 2. Since we have brackets and according to PEMDAS, we always have to solve what is in the brackets first. The reason we are dividing the 18x by 2 is because the 2 is attached to the brackets. This is minus negative 3x. It is actually negative 1 open bracket. So you're going to distribute the negative into the bracket. This is called the distributive property. Now that you've divided 18x by 2 and distributed the negative into the brackets, we have 9x plus 3x. Now, these are like terms, so you will have to combine them. So our final answer is going to be 12x. Now for our third and last example, we're going to simplify the expression negative 4x plus 17y minus 2 minus 4y minus 3y. Don't worry, it's not as scary as you think. So our first step is going to be, we have to group our like terms. So negative 4x, 17y, negative 4y, negative 3y, and negative 2. So now our next step is to combine them. So combine our like terms, and we get negative 4 plus 10 minus 2. Now we have no more like terms, so this is our unsimplified expression. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful.